Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today we are talking about outdoor dining, outdoor entertaining. I have several different setups for this season. This is the second setup, and I'm calling this the black and white. However, I wanted to use some texture, and this runner was ideal. It is texture, it's black, white, and then it has that woven tan color. I simply love this table runner. Next, I will throw in that unexpected element, and I decided to add additional lighting. The lighting is a table lamp. You can plug the lamp in a socket, or you can use a bulb that needs no electricity. These are rechargeable from Amazon. I will leave a link. They are absolutely perfect for outdoor dining or any area of your house where you choose not to use a plug to light your lamps. I place them on the kitchen island. I also have gorgeous overhead chandeliers, and it has a gold inlay. I've shown these before. They've been up maybe 3 years. Love them. They're from IKEA. So let's get started. I selected black placemats because I needed some color contrast on the long white table, and it just ties in with the other elements. Enjoy the video. I would love for you to get tips and tricks that you can use for your decor. As always, make every day a great day.
I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. To make it come around, I think you want me. moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you've gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you've gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. May I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you've gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me.
like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.